Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the repair safe. Power off and unplug everything, then isolate the damaged section. Once done, use a wire cutter to remove the frayed zone and strip about 1/2 inch of insulation from each conductor so you can access solid copper. Make sure to keep color codes and shielding intact. Note which strand is ground, power, and data. You should have clean, untarnished wire ends ready for joining, no burn tips, no crushed shielding, so the next step solder or crimp cleanly. You now solder or crimp each conductor precisely. Tin wire ends first to prevent stray strands, then match color-coded pairs and join them. Once paired, solder quickly to avoid cold joints. A shiny fillet means good contact. Make sure the braided shield is reattached to maintain grounding. Braid or wrap it over the inner joints before insulating. After soldering, slide heat shrink over each conductor and apply heat evenly so it contracts snugly. This prevents shorting and restores mechanical strength for long. You finish by testing and sealing the repair. Use a multimeter to confirm continuity on each data and power conductor and verify no shorts to ground. Once good, slide full-length heat shrink over the splice and shrink it to form a single protective sleeve. Add a flexible strain relief sleeve or wrap with tape to prevent future bending failure. If something goes wrong, reopen the sleeve, re-tin and resolder the suspect joint, and watch for stray strands. Those are the usual cause of intermittent faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.